Days before Cliff's birthday and we're going to Mobual because magpa-check up me because Cliff has cough and runny nose and sabay na pod and we're going to Laag to Mobual Park. Let's go! Get ready with me. Boom. So, maunta guys, 10 before Cliff's birthday. And asa man taron be? Maglaag me. Maglaag me.
So right now we are on the clinic and we're waiting for our turn para ma-check up si Cliff. While waiting, Cliff is eating biscuits para dili siya ma-bored and di siya maghilak-hilak guys. So mao to gipakaon na mo og biscuit si Cliff. So now we are in Mobual Park and it is so windy and here Cliff is so sleepy already and he's not in the mood to have some fun. So I tried to let him drink milk so that he can sleep already, but then again he was so full and he doesn't wanna drink milk. This is the Mobual Park and it is so big and beautiful. But then again at this moment it is so hot because it's 2 or 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Since Cliff don't want to sleep, I tried to let him play. There is what you can see. I tried to let him walk, but then again, he really doesn't want to walk because he just wants to sit because he wants to grab the grasses here because he's really new on this place and he's discovering things like he want to touch what is this thing that he is stepping on, especially this greeny grasses. So we went back on our table to have some rest because it is really hot and I don't want Cliff to suffer from the hotness because he has this runny nose. So there we just let Cliff eat. So we just enjoy the scenery of this place because it's also beside the ocean. I mean, it's not ocean, it's beside the sea. There is also what we call a gazebo here where it's like a restaurant where you can buy food. So we rest in here and buy some foods. So we just enjoy the scenery while eating, enjoy the snacks here. So it's like we're having a family bonding with Cliff and Husky. Cliff really is enjoying his food and while he enjoys it, he's also annoyed with me eating also. So he tries to grab my face and squeeze it. I really find this so nice because Cliff was able to travel and discover new things and I really love Cliff bringing to other places because he also enjoys a lot going to a lot of places. And while we go to other places, he's actually behave, not that really behave, but he also, I can see that he likes also to see things, and he behaves while looking at the scenery while we travel. And also when we eat, he also he actually loves to eat anything. And no, he's not a picky eater, so I'm really glad that Cliff is like that. So in here, when I tried to see Cliff in here standing with the clouds at the back, it's really nice to take a picture on him. So we tried to take a pic on him in here, but then Cliff is crying and he is really sleepy at this time because he did not sleep since 12 noon, and it's actually time for him to sleep. So we tried to play with Cliff and walk here again so that he will not be sleepy and he will not cry, because it's actually so hot to travel. So we're thinking if we should go right now or later in the afternoon. So while Cliff is with his father, I will show you the place, guys. And this place is really good. It's really nice to visit in here and have some fun or picnic with your family. There are actually a lot of people in here during Sundays, guys, because after the mass in the afternoon, all the people or most of the people will come and visit in here to have some fun and make time with their families, and that's really nice. That's the good thing of having this park in here. So now we arrived at home already, and it's really tiring because it is so hot, and I was bringing Cliff while he was sleeping, and that was really tiring. All of us got exhausted with this walk, and also husband has also got a headache because of the hotness of it. Is so hot, guys. It's really so hot here in the Philippines. So as what you can see, we cannot just go out and have some fun because of the hotness. So while Cliff sleeps, we also have a nap with husband, and I also got some stretch. I did stretching because my back is really painful. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Please subscribe for more.